Redefining Microscopy Education, Lanoptik's 100-station interactive digital microscope lab empowers Mae Fah Luang University. Lanoptik's Wi-Fi interactive teaching system has been deployed in a 100-station, large-scale laboratory at Thailand's Mae Fah Luang University, setting a new benchmark for collaborative science education. System configuration. The Instructor Hub features a Nikon CIL Plus microscope, an interactive workstation, and a Windows-based computer enabling real-time control and multi-screen annotation. "100 student stations equipped with Nikon Eclipse EI microscopes and Nikon SMZ7 for 5T microscopes, delivering 4K-ready imaging for unparalleled clarity." Key innovations. A proprietary high-density wireless module supports 120+ concurrent streams at 400 ms latency, ensuring lag-free synchronization across all stations. Instructors can broadcast live feeds, compare images, manage files, and engage with students through the built-in messenger. Students can capture images, take measurements, install third-party apps, and access the camera via Wi-Fi on their mobile devices. Each station has a 1080p anti-glare IPS display, ideal for extended use. Foldable design for easy storage and management. Camera operation controlled directly via mouse and keyboard. Supports courses in cell biology, anatomy, histology, and more. Supports third-party virtual teaching tools like cloud-based pathology and AI diagnosis platforms. Students can sync observations to devices for offline analysis or reports. More than just a teaching tool, this system brings students into the heart of scientific discovery with real-time collaboration and interactive learning. Special thanks to our Thai partner, Hollywood International Limited, for their excellent work in promotion, installation, and training. Thanks for watching.